y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a try on haul, okay? A try on haul. This was an exciting video to record because I get to show you guys a few items that I got from Fashion Nova. So if you've seen one of my try on hauls from Fashion Nova maybe about 2 to 3 years ago, I did have somewhat of an unpleasant experience with their customer service. Since then, I think their customer service still sucks. Anywho, they had a big 50% off sale, right? So they were basically giving the items away, and I had to go ahead and get some of those items, especially since wintertime is coming up and I was interested in getting like some coats and stuff. I even was able to pick up a couple for my daughter. So that was pretty cool that I was able to kind of surf their website, which is extremely extensive if you know anything about Fashion Nova. But anyhow, did this try on for you guys and had tons of fun doing it. So as I'm trying these items on, I was thinking to myself, maybe you guys may want a little bit more information than seeing the items on. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. For those who are new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button and that like button as well if you want to see more from me. So let's go. So this first item is the Fashion Nova Season jumpsuit. Okay, so this is my second time purchasing this jumpsuit. This is in the color black and I got a size large. Just for reference, you guys, I'm about 5'8"-ish, 5'9", and at this moment I'm like 185 pounds. So yeah, a size large did good. And just for reference as well, I bought a size large a couple years ago and I was about 163 pounds at the time, and I'm still able to fit a large comfortably. The stretch is amazing. Okay y'all, so this next item is the same exact jumpsuit except in the color gray. So this is the Fashion Nova Season jumpsuit. I got in a size large as well. These jumpsuits I really like because you can layer them. I really like these jumpsuits, guys, because you can layer them with blazers. You can belt them and give them a different vibe. You can wear them with a boot, an open-toe sandal. The sky's the limit for these jumpsuits, and that's the reason why this is my second time purchasing these jumpsuits. They last really well too. Throw them in a washing machine, they're good to go. This next item is a fuzzy, fluffy jacket that I got. This jacket has pockets in it, very comfy and cozy, very in trend for this season. I can't wait till it cools down a little bit to wear it. It doesn't have a belt to it, but I think it's still a vibe, so size large. This jacket here, you guys, may be my favorite item that I purchased with this haul. This is just a denim jacket. It's a black denim jacket, and as you see the detail on the back, it has like all the coolest cities in the world on the back of it. You can wear this with a jumpsuit like you see how I paired with it. You could throw jeans on it, sneakers, wear it with a heel. It's very versatile, so I was excited about that purchase. This next jacket that I got is one of those puffer jackets. It's one of those shorter puffer jackets. I would definitely wear this with jeans. Although this is one of the items that I got from my daughter. This is in a size large. So yeah, this is the burnt orange version. And if you guys want to know the specific names of the items, I will have the names of the item and the size that I purchased down below in the description box. Next up, the same puffer jacket, except I got it in sort of like a green mossy color. Really cute and comfortable. They have pockets on both sides. They are warm. This is another item that I got from my daughter as well. Very comfortable. I think this is gonna look so cute on her, so I was excited to pick this one up. Next up is this long denim shirt. Yes, you think it's a jacket, but it's a shirt. It's a denim shirt. I got it oversized because I wanted to wear it kind of big, so I got it in a size 1X. If I wanted it to fit, I probably would have got a medium or a large, but I really like it. This is gonna be a staple layer piece for me. Okay y'all, next up is a sweater. This is a warm, cozy sweater. The detail on the side, it has like one of the shoulder caps out and the rest is like a regular ribbed sweater. I got this in a size large. Jeans, don't you love a cool pair of jeans, you guys? So this is a pair of denim jeans, super long. As I said, I'm about between like 5'8" and 5'9". These jeans are long all the way to the ground plus some room, and I have on tall heels right now, and they're still super long with the tall heels. The slit on the side makes it really trendy. I love these jeans, and I got them in a size 13. Next up, these jeans has a crisscross, I guess the fastener up front. If you look at the detail in front of these jeans, it kind of, when you button them up, they crisscross the front. I thought that was really unique, y'all. I got these jeans in a size 13. Okay, y'all, so that is it for this Fashion Nova haul. I think we should call this maybe like a fall Fashion Nova haul or something. Like I said, they had a huge 50% off sale, so I just went in and got some things that I thought would be super cool for the, you know, going into the cooler months. If you're interested in pricing, you guys, this is something that I don't really talk a lot about pricing of the things that I buy when I show you guys like hauls or new things. But when I watch videos personally, I like for the YouTuber to tell me pricing just so I can get an idea before I even go to the website. But I mean, I feel like I used to do that, but I stopped telling prices because I was like, is that too much information? So y'all comment down below if you want to know the pricing, not even only for this video, for videos in the future. When I do hauls and things like that, if you guys want to know the price of each item, I could definitely put that across the screen for you. Comment down below and let me know what you think about that. Is that too much? Would that be helpful for you? Anywho, all the information will be down in the description box. Do not forget to check out my website, www.socialiteminklash.com, to check out these gorgeous mink lashes that last you an average of about 20 uses, okay? If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you want to see more from me, hit the like button. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.